this is the off and on.
Sige, gunitin na. Yes,
Hello, welcome back. In this video, we want to show you something in here at the box.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So this time around, we are going to unboxing. Okay, so we're gonna unboxing something and I'm very excited about this. Nung sinabi ni husband na bibili siya nito, hindi na ako kumontra. Actually, ano ko pa, ginulgul ko pa siya, sinabihan ko sila bilhin talaga because we got ourselves the
Surprise!
So this is, hindi nyo makita? Okay, so open natin. But this is the vacuum cleaner. Okay? So let's open this one. Hala, uy. Parang ayaw niya magpa-open, besh. So we got this, patulong naman, sir. Sa assistant namin. So this, package, ano to, we got this online, obviously, and popost namin yung price nito, but this is less than 1,000 pesos. Medyo kailangan na talaga nito sa bahay kasi nga marami na tayong kalat. May mga buhok na nalalagas na sa aming bahay. So, kailangan na natin ng vacuum cleaner. So, this is the product.
The vacuum cleaner.
So, ayan siya. I'm gonna open it and we're gonna try it. Ang cute niya. Para siyang, yes, besh. Siya yung robot na maglilinis sa ating bahay. So, let's open it. So, we got this in Lazada. Okay, Lazada po siya. And yes, na-shock din kami kasi na-deliver kaagad siya. This comes in 3 color. I think they have white, gray, and black. Sabi ko white, pero yung napakagaling kong asawa gusto niya ng black.
And your restrictions.
So, when you open it, ito yung first. Meron siyang may screwdriver, merong USB charger, may port, USB port or cord. Merong pang linis. Of course, they have instruction, hindi naman natin babasahin. So, this is the instruction.
Okay.
Okay, so, basahin natin pag hindi natin naintindihan. So, when you open it, it comes in a case. And naka-bubble wrap naman po siya. Okay?
May screwdriver pa, oh.
A screwdriver here.
Yeah.
Meron din siyang, yeah, may screwdriver na. So, by the way, highway,
Can
gano'n
do
siya?
that. It's for me.
It says,
It's my
Bowai. Bowai. Parang nagdududa na ako dito, ah.
What does it say?
It says Bowai.
What's the word under Bowai?
It says Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Okay? Tapos, ayan yung, bakit parang maliit lang yung ano, yung magwawalis?
It's a vacuum. It sucks.
Okay, it
Look,
sucks.
there's a slot. So parang
So, it sucks sila.
vacuum.
Gusto ko kasi nung medyo, ano yun, para kasi siyang kilay. Ang liit. Parang pisniko po. Charot lang. Ano siya? And it's so light. And meron siyang, this is a holder. Huwag nyo ko inaano. Para siyang holder talaga. And so, yun. Ay, meron siyang ganyan. Tapos may mga wheels siya, obviously, kasi nga, kailangan niya. So, again, this is the brush. The power indicator lamp. This one.
Oh my god.
This is the off and on.
Sige, gunitin na. Yes, sige.
Besh, kinabahan ako
Oh my
doon.
god.
Si One, ito bang sa camera.
Bakit may velcro?
Sige.
So, this is the, ito yung saksakan nung,
I'll see the brush filter.
ito yung saksakan nung cord charger niya dito. So, USB po siya, besh. Okay? Napapadali ang buhay natin. Tapos, ito yung indicator ng kung na-on siya or off. And ito yung power. Okay? So, I'm gonna press it and let's see what's gonna happen. Baka lilipat to. Baka drone to. Diba? Pero hindi eh. Okay.
Does it suck?
Medyo maingay siya. Pero yes, meron siyang,
Sige na.
yes, it does. Yes, pero medyo mahina siya.
Let me try.
You try.
Okay, parang may nakaikuan mo rin. May velcro naman. Sige daw.
That's my
So how
turn.
does it... Sige.
No, the Velcro is
What about
so it also says here it's noise reduction. Hindi ko alam, pero medyo tahimik kasi yung buhay
Let's
namin
switch.
dito. So hindi ko alam kung okay na yung ingay niya. So, again, I'm gonna kilalanin natin siya, besh. Okay? So, here it's the handle. Bakit kailangan siya may handle? Sige, may handle siya. Ito pala, it's the dust box cover. This one. So, pili ko natatanggal to, pero mamaya na baka masira ko. And then we have the vent hole. This one. And it also says na 70 minutes siya. 1 hour and 10 minutes gumagana or charging. Hindi ko alam. Basta USB charger siya. Okay, so paano ba siya gamitin? Take the product out of the box, put it on a smooth ground, and then turn on lang. The function of the mopping floor, just paste the mopping cloth at the bottom. Sandali. Kaya pala siya may velcro. Tinatanong ko sa sarili ko. So, you're gonna have to put this one. Kasi, just paste the mopping cloth at the bottom of the product correctly. Parang ganito siya. The low voltage indicator when the blue light flashes. Please turn off the switch in time to charge. Kapag blue siya, meaning low voltage siya.
Low bat. Yeah.
Parang palubat na pala
Sige
ito.
daw.
Open the dust box from here. So ito.
Open.
Takot ako, besh.
Open.
Ayan.
Remove the dust.
Okay. So,
Okay.
and yung battery na kailangan niya, let's check the battery. Look at the battery. I don't think this is a normal battery. Saan ko in-open? Di ba USB lang? Sira ulo eh. Ayan yung battery. So it also has this cover. Kung hindi nyo parang ito.
Okay.
So we'll check. We'll have to charge this one and we'll show you how it works. Okay? So this is how we do it. Medyo na madadumihan to. Kasi nga madumi, di ba? So we use this one na for quite some time. So yun. I am hoping that this product really will make our house clean. Parang hindi na tayo nagwawalis-walis. Magwawalis pa rin naman tayo, pero we definitely want na meron lang talaga yung mga madali ang linis-linis lang, di ba? So, this is a very helpful product, lalo na kung may mga chikiting kayo. Pwede na lang itong laruan. Alam ko, habulin to ng dalawa kong anak. So, good luck dito. So, please, I'm gonna put the link of the shop where we bought this one in Lazada. And I hope, if you have like this, please let us know. Comment below. Sabihin nyo nga sa akin kung anong experience nyo. Kasi nga, hindi pa naman talaga namin siya na-experience. Like, full function siya. So, let us know. Okay? Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!